Every machines follow a law of science. Newton explained force and motions. Einstein revealed the power of energy. Welcome to Inside the Factory. Today we mix robotics with real physics to show how drones are made.
Newton's law of motion explains how friction resists movement, ensuring safe handling of drone parts. This principle is key to precision engineering.
Frame secured, moving to assembly. Copy, boards incoming. Watch the weight on those sensors. Understood, next batch ready.
Friction between the surfaces reduces energy loss as of drone parts are moved, following Newton's law of motion. Formula: F equals mu times N.
Newton's law explains the forces acting on each part.
Newton's third law states that for every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. Here, the forces between the blocks are equal and opposite, causing the frame to react and remain stable.
Robotic arm pushes the drone frame into position.
Every action has an equal and opposite reaction, ensuring the frame reacts to forces applied by the robotic arm. Formula: F1 equals negative F2.
Newton's third law ensures stability during assembly.
Newton's third law: for every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. Here, the drone's upward thrust applies a downward force to the frame.
Motor is carefully attached to the drone frame. Torque generated starts spinning the propeller. The frame reacts with equal and opposite force according to Newton. This reaction stabilizes the drone for smooth operation.
Einstein's principle states that power equals current times voltage. Energy flows through the circuit to power motors efficiently.
Technicians solder wires onto the drone's circuit board.
Electrical energy flows through the circuit to power the motors, following the principle P equals IV. Formula: P equals IV.
Electrical energy flows through the circuits.
Newton's third law explains how drones fly. Propellers push air down, creating thrust. The air pushes back with equal force, generating lift and causing the drone to rise.
Propellers are attached securely to the drone frame.
Propellers push air downward to generate lift, and according to Newton's third law, an equal and opposite force lifts the drone. Formula: lift equals thrust. The spinning propellers generate an upward action force. This creates an equal and opposite downward reaction force on the frame. This principle allows the drone to lift and fly. Einstein's principle, E equals QV. Energy converts from chemical to electrical to drive motors efficiently.
Battery is inserted into the drone carefully. Einstein's principles explain energy transfer efficiency.
Chemical energy in the battery converts to electrical energy to power motors. Formula: E equals QV. Here, energy is released to run this motor, a simple but powerful principle.
Proper charging ensures consistent drone performance.
Newton's law: lift equals weight. The drone rises with lift equal to its weight for stable flight.
Drone takes off indoors for quality control test. Lift balances the drone's weight for stability.
Lift generated balances the drone's weight, keeping flight stable. Formula: lift and weight. As you can see, the drone hovers steadily. This balance is key to stable flight.
Newton's law ensures smooth and predictable flight behavior.
Newton's law:
proper weight distribution prevents damage during transport. A balanced load moves smoothly, but an unbalanced one is unstable and risks damage.
Newton's law applies to forces during truck movement. Balanced packing prevents damage during delivery.
Forces during transport act according to F m tons A, ensuring safe delivery. Formula: F as m tons A. A load is applied to the top box, distributing downward through the stack. This creates reaction forces pushing upward from the bottom. The system balances when downward loads equal upward reactions.